After this test drive, you can walk away with a lot of things. So you get the premium skip trace data. You get to keep that. Video, you get a 60-second follow-up system that can work while you sleep. You get automated text and email sequences. You can keep those forever. You get 20 qualified leads that are ready for you to call, and you get real-world proof if cold calling works in your market. And the best part is that we handle everything. Honestly, what I think the biggest part of this is just seeing what our systems look like and how we operate, getting to the consulting aspect of this. I'm big on information and learning from how other people are doing businesses, and just the 1,800 as a consulting fee, I think would be a deal for this as far as getting your land business kicking going. So anyway, the costs for this type of thing, the data is maybe $400, marketing consultation, let's say it's $500. The automated follow-up system probably costs $1,000 to build. 20 qualified leads, easily worth $2,000. But with our test drive program, you can try this for $1,895. Of course, the thing is, what if cold calling isn't for me? And that's the point of this. You can see how we operate, what people pay $6,000 to $20,000 for, that full system and how that looks. But then you have some simple options. You can, if you love the results, you can move into our full service and you can keep going with consistent deal flow and then scale up, add colors. If you prefer how you were doing things already, you get to keep the data. It's a freshly pulled from data tree, skip traced, scrubbed for landlocked properties, filtered for litigators, cleaned with custom AI to get government entities out, ready to mail immediately. If you want to do it yourself, you can keep access to the professional automation system. That automation is actually fairly tough to build, to get a video to send out via text and the website and all that via email. So you can keep that. We have a CRM automation that you can keep, and you can use that for $99 a month. With any option, basically you get immediate value plus the flexibility to choose your path moving forward. There's not a lot of ways to lose here, just exceptional because of the amount of information that you get. We can start getting you leads within 48 hours. So go ahead and book a strategy call. Remember, you're not committing to a long-term contract. You're just testing a complete done for you system, and you can keep using it even after the test drive ends. You don't have to worry about cold calling, building the perfect cold calling operation. You can just let us hand you a proven system in a box and then walk away with that knowledge, complete with the data, leads, automations you can keep using forever. So I think this is a no-brainer, honestly. Click below, secure a test drive. We can get you your first qualified lead within 48 hours. And we will probably be taking on maybe only one person every week or two. We'll see how that feels, because it takes a lot to set up. It's a really heavy lift to get rolling. So excited to work with you. Book a call now.